first video on this YouTube channel. I have different YouTube channels which I don't use anymore. So on this YouTube channel, I'll be doing Diablos and trampolines and stuff. For the first one, I'm gonna show you guys how to do half suicide. So this is how you do half suicide. You gotta get it moving. You gotta get it fast. Then you gotta flip it like that. Then you want to drop your thing and re-catch it. Okay, first step is to get it going fast. First step is to do that, to get it going fast. Then second step is to fly. So sometimes when you do it, it lands like that. So you want to put this stick under like that. Then you want to drop it like that. Then the fourth one, you want to catch it like this. Then that's it. That's how you do half suicide. Hope you guys enjoyed. For the next video, goodbye.